Viewers, welcome back. Devils leading scorer Jake Hughes suffered apparent serious injury against the Golden Knights. Devils leading scorer Jake Hughes went down with what appeared to be a serious injury with 148 left in the New Jersey's 2-0 loss Sunday night to the Vegas Golden Knights. Hughes went down hard after a collision with the Golden Knights' Jake Izal, who stood next to him and appeared to encourage him. Davis coach Sheldon Cave said he didn't have an update on Hughes. Obviously, it didn't look good. Cave said, "We were going to have to take the time to know the full extent of it. It's tough to see. Especially, it's a similar play. He got called on earlier in the period." Thanks for watching this content and please stay connected with us for further updates. If you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget